Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install the Samsung Messages app on the new Samsung Galaxy phones. So here I have a Galaxy A46 5G from 2025 and it's the same also for other Samsung Galaxy phones with the new One UE7. And on these phones we have only the Google Messages app. Here there is, and if you don't like it and you want to use the other Messages app from Samsung, you need to install it. First, you need to have a Samsung account on your phone and then just go to the Store app, here there is, and here just search for the Samsung Messages. Here there is, and this is the app. It's called Samsung Messages and the provider is Samsung Electronics Co. Limited. Okay, now you need to download this app. For that, just tap here, wait for a few seconds. Now installing, and to open it, just tap here again. And here you need to allow Messages to access your phone call logs, to access your contacts, to make and manage phone calls, and to send and view SMS messages. And also to use all the features available in the Samsung Messages, you need to make it your default messaging app. For that, just tap OK. And now it's checked the Google Messages app. You need to change it. For that, just tap here on the other app and tap Set as Default. And that's all, and now you can use the Samsung Messages app. Also, this app, it's here where you have all the apps, and if you want, you can push and hold on it and tap Add to Home, and you can move it here like this. So it's a good thing that we have alternatives. You can use another Messages app if you don't like the one from the Google. And you can leave me in the comment area which Messages app do you prefer and why. And also I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.